Please remember to flush the toilet after using it. I look in the mirror to comb my hair. I turn on the fan when it gets too hot. I close the curtains at night for privacy. I keep my keys on the hook by the door. Please use a fork to eat your salad. I dry my hands with a towel after washing them. I need a spoon to stir my tea. I sweep the kitchen with a broom every day. I keep my socks and underwear in the top drawer. I cover myself with a blanket when it's cold. I wash the dishes in the sink after meals. I am cooking dinner in the kitchen. Please put the milk in the refrigerator to keep it cold. We watch TV together in the living room every evening. I need to take a shower in the bathroom. It's time to go to bed. I'm feeling sleepy. I open the window to let fresh air into the room. Please close the door when you leave. I sit on the chair to eat my meals. We sit on the sofa when we have guests. I turn on the lamp to read a book at night. Can you pass me the remote? I want to change the channel. The plates are kept in the cupboard in the kitchen. I make toast in the toaster every morning. I heat up leftovers in the microwave. I use the vacuum cleaner to clean the carpet. I like to sleep with 2 pillows under my head. Please throw the garbage in the trash can. I hang my clothes in the wardrobe to keep them neat. I put my dirty clothes in the laundry basket. The dishwasher makes cleaning up after dinner much easier. I cook rice on the stove. I mop the floor to keep it clean. I put a photo of my family in the picture frame. I drink my morning coffee from my favorite cup. We use the big plates for dinner. Be careful with the knife when you cut the vegetables. I fry eggs in a pan for breakfast. The soup is boiling in the pot on the stove. I turn off the light switch before leaving the room. I like to relax in a warm bathtub after a long day. I keep my clothes in the closet in my bedroom. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more.